Happy Friday, everybody. This is Sean from BMW of South Austin, and on today's episode of Feature Fridays, I'll be showing you the Hands Free Tailgate operation. Now, on BMWs equipped with this feature, you'll be able to open and close your rear trunk simply with a kick of your feet. Now, to determine if your BMW has this feature, simply go to Car on your iDrive screen, scroll down to Settings, scroll over to Doors and Vehicle Access, select Tailgate, and scroll to the bottom and locate Hands-Free Operation. If this option is there, that means your vehicle is equipped with the feature. Just make sure that both of the boxes are checked on. Now, to use this feature, just make sure that your key fob is on your person, locate the BMW logo and kick underneath the bumper, and the trunk will open. To close the trunk, simply do the same thing, kick underneath the bumper in the same location, and the trunk will close.